To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here.
Unlock the sensor by pulling the red tab backwards, then pinch the center and pull outwards to remove it.
Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing.
Insert your new filter into the housing.
Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Reinstall the screws. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Retighten the hose clamp.
Reinstall the sensor and lock it into place.
Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.